Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna continue my zodiac sign makeup series with the Libra. As you can see, we're gonna work with pink and green today. But before we get to the colorful stuff, I'm gonna apply my Garnier BB cream as a foundation. And I'm just gonna dab on my face with a beauty blender as I usually do. And if I'm right, in this series we did a pink and green once, and in that I was using the green for contouring and as a bronzer, and the pink I used the pink for contouring and bronzer, and I focused the green on my eyes mostly, if I'm right. And I was thinking about changing it a little bit and make it kind of interesting and better than the last time I did these two colors. Then I'm using my Miss Sporty So Matte cover stick in the color 001 Light. I really love this cover stick. I'm using it as a concealer, and as you can see, or you don't know, I'm running out of it and I really like it, and I don't know what I'm gonna do if I run out of it, because I hate buying stuff. I hate spending money, because that was the cover stick that I had left that you saw in this video out of the tube, so it's gonna be gone soon. Then I'm using my Imagic 12 color flash case body and face paint. I'm gonna using the green color, and I'm just gonna do the contouring stuff with the green. I wanted to apply it light because I don't want it to be super green. I want it to be contoured but not too harshly green, because that could look bad or maybe, I don't know, gross. I was a little bit scared, so I'm just experiencing stuff here. And as you know, I really love beauty blenders. I blend out almost everything with a blender because it's easier for me, easier to control, and I think it looks prettier. So I'm using a blender almost always, and that's how I just blended out this green to kind of look nice and not harshly green. I wanted a nice colorful contour, but not that super green contour. Yes, and to tone it down, I'm gonna apply on top of it on top of my face my Maybelline Affinitone powder in the color 17 beige pinkish, mostly to set the cover stick, set the foundation, because my BB cream moves a lot, mostly on my forehead, and to set the face paint, because the face paint needs to be set or it's gonna move a lot and I don't like that. But this powder did a nice job. I really like this powder. I wasn't using it for a while. That was one of the first makeups that I had, and yeah, I'm using now a lot. Then I'm using my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Eyeshadow Base 04. As you could guess what I'm using for, I put it on my eyes, and it's a real game changer. It's super nice. It's super easier to apply eyeshadow, and I love it. Then I'm using my NYX Escape Artist eyeshadow palette, and I'm starting with the light pink color. As usually I do, I build up from the lightest or the second lightest to the darkest. So I'm applying the light pink under my eyebrow bone. I don't know how you call it. If this is how you call it, brow bone. Under it, and then a darker pink color I'm gonna apply it in the crease, and they looked super beautiful together. Alone they looked beautiful, but together, wow, I loved it so much. Love this palette. You're gonna see lots of makeups with this palette because I just loving it. and I'm just blending the two. Then I'm adding the darker pink under my eye like this, and I loved this look. Then I'm using the what is this, a beige color, then a green, and none other than the sparkly green. I love that color. I used it in another video recently. I love these colors. I'm gonna try the other colors, but now I'm just working on my on this series, and I'm have rules to follow here. Then I used the other green color at the other corner of my eyes to smoke it out, the whole thing, and just dabbing and little brush strokes to blend these together. And I use this same color on my eyebrows, because rules are rules. We're gonna use what we have, and we can. Yeah, I don't have too much green, so that's why I use this in another ways. Now I'm using my Essence Never Give Up Your Daydream, and I'm using a what is this, pink color, and I just forgot to talk, and I think I used the color Daydream, no, Blooming, the color that I'm using right now. Then I'm using my only green lipstick. It was really hard to apply. I got it from AliExpress. I don't know what kind of it is. It says Pudeyer, I don't know, and it's the number 2. It says matte lipstick, but it's shimmery, and it's don't have a good coverage. And I applied a pink gloss on top of it that I also got from AliExpress, and I don't know what is it. And then I use my NYX Worth the Hype mascara, the black, and I really love this mascara. I can't say how much I love it. It's super good. It works pretty easy to apply, dries quickly, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. Beautiful, and as I can say, worth the hype. And I think I said that joke before. And that's the finished look. I hope you liked it or found it interesting. I worked so hard on it, and I really liked the end. So if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot of link in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section. See you next video. Bye.